Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix any external CD or DVD drive that just won't stay closed. So first, to open the enclosure, you need to remove all the four screws. So this is the inside of the DVD drive, and what happens is when you try to close it, there's a broken lock that holds the door closed. When you slide this open, there's a little bump that allows the CD to stay closed, and we've used this DVD drive at work for the past 3 years, every single day, multiple times, so it's just the wear and tear. So what locks the door is this lock right here. So when you slide the door to close, this is the lock that locks the door. So as you can see, this is our problem area. So now this is the area where you lock engages, and this is the indicator of how much space you have. So basically we need to cut a little piece of plastic that is this thick and glue it on the other side. So the little tiny piece of plastic need to be glued on top of it just to make this sticking out a little bit more, so the metal latch could engage. I've just cut a little piece of plastic and glue it on top of the area where the sticking part should be, and we'll see if that's gonna hold. So the piece that I glued in works perfectly. I closed the CD, now I had to connect it to the computer to test it. I'm gonna push the eject button. Beautiful. Okay. And this DVD driver works like new again, so I can close it and it's gonna stay locked. And all it took, basically, it's maybe 10 minutes of your work, another 10 minutes of drying the super glue. So as you can see, this is very easy fix for a very common problem. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.